So guys, for the first step, you're going to head over to search and type in Registry Editor. Click on it, and then click on yes. And then once you run this, you can follow everything I'll be doing up here. So first, you're going to expand history classes root. Now you're going to find .exe. We're just going to scroll down a little bit till we get to the E section. You're going to find .exe right here. Click on this. And then once we're here, it's going to be seeing defaults for you. Double click on default. Make sure that in the value data, it says exe file, just like how it shows on my screen. Make sure it says exe file and then click on OK. And then once you've done that, now we're going to click on edit on the top and then click on find. We're now going to search for exe file. However, you want to untick values and data. So make sure that you have keys selected and you want to have in the find what box, type in exe file and then click on find next, which is now going to take us to here. And now again, we're going to do the same thing. So now once you're in the exe file folder, you now want to find default. Double click on it. Make sure that in here, the value data, it says application on it, like how it was on my screen. If it doesn't say it, then just type it in right here and then click on OK. And then once you've done that, you now want to expand exe file. Now you want to expand shell. Now you want to expand open. And now you want to click on the command folder. And now this will appear on the right side. And now the same thing that we did earlier, but for these two now. So double click on default. Make sure that you have this that's showing on screen right now in the value data box. And then click on OK. Now for the next one, do the same thing and then click on OK. Now your problem should be fixed. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search and type in Microsoft Store. Right click on it and then click on app settings. Now once you run this, you want to scroll down and then click on terminate and then click on reset and then click on reset again. Wait for this to load. This should now fix your problem.